If you want to change your Facebook birth date for any reason, whether you entered it incorrectly or didn't know the right one before, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process in this video. First, open the Facebook app. Then, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Next, go to Settings and scroll down to find Profile Details. Tap on it, and you'll see all your profile information. Scroll down to the Basic Info section and tap Edit. After that, go to Edit in Account Center. Here you'll see 3 options, though they may vary for different users. If none of them work for you, you can choose the Contact Us option. However, if you see a full table where you can manually change your birth date, select your preferred date and tap Done. That's it. Your Facebook birth date has been successfully updated. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.